So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to watch recorded shows on Spectrum TV app. Find DVR, play and manage recording. So how to watch record shows on Spectrum TV app. On Spectrum TV app, go to My Library, then select recording. Choose shows, then press play. Use option to delete or manage recording. Open the Spectrum TV app and go to recordings. Then open the Spectrum TV app on your TV phone, tablet or streaming device. Then go to My Library, sometimes shown as DVR depending on device. Select recording to see shows you have saved. On many devices, recordings are located under My Library. Second one is play a recorded show. Select the show or series titles you want. Choose the specific episode, then press play button. You can usually pause, rewind and fast forward. Some users report playback issues on certain devices like Roku or Apple TV. So if playback acts strange, try restarting or reopening the app. Third one is manage your recording. Delete series option. To manage shows, open My Library, then recording, then select the program tile. Choose option like delete episode, series option and change recording settings. On some devices, this is located on the right side of the screen. Important point is some older DVR models don't support full recording management inside the app. Fourth one is view scheduled recording. Go to My Library, then recording. Look for scheduled or upcoming recording. Some version hide this menu inside recording instead of showing it separately. So if you can't find your DVR or recording, common fixes that won't for many users. Log out, then log back in the app, reinstall the Spectrum TV app, restart modem or router, update device software. These steps help users restoring missing DVR option or recording. Things to know. You must have Spectrum Cloud DVR service to view recording in the app. Menus vary by device: Roku, Apple TV, Samsung TV, phone, etc. Occasionally, playback issue happen due to app update or service issues. Thank you.